Hi, hello, 𝗦𝗬𝗪𝗧𝗠𝗓𝗠 here, and in this tutorial I will teach you how to install fonts on Windows 10. Alright, so let's get started. As you can see right now I have my PowerPoint opened, and I think first of all we should talk about basically what is font. So as you can see right here, I inserted some texts, and basically font is how this text will look like. So for instance, right here, as you can see, I used Montserrat font. So our texts look like that. Here, I used Poppins font. So as you can see, all the letters are a little bit different. And the third one, Playfair Display, and it also looks a little bit different. So, how to install fonts on Windows 10. You need to open your browser, let's say Google Chrome, in my case. And of course, there are plenty of websites where you can download some fonts to your Windows 10. But basically, the best way is using Google Fonts. So just type in your search Google Fonts, click here. And as you can see, this is the website of Google, and here you can find some really cool fonts just for free. It's absolutely free, and it's quite safe. So as you can see right here, you have some categories. So you have serif font, sans serif, display, handwriting, and monospace. You can also change language, some of them. And of course, you can also change font properties here. Alright, so I think I need some sans serif font, so I will deselect all of them. Alright, so I have selected sans serif. And as you can see right here, I have a lot of fonts, but I think I would like them to sort by maybe newest. Alright. And let's scroll a little bit. So let's keep scrolling to find some cool font. Actually, I really like this one called Sen. So just click on it. And as you can see right here, you have some options, I would say. So I really recommend to type here anything to preview text. Because for instance, I live in Poland and we have some spacey letters I will show you. For instance, of course, in English there is A, E, I, etc., etc. But in Poland there are also something like that. And you know, if you live in some country that have some different some fancy letters, then make sure that they display properly. So in my case, if I would like to use this font typing Polish words, it would work. And of course, the next thing is to go into license, because you know, not every font you can use in, for instance, business projects, commercial projects, etc. But usually all of the fonts that are available in Google Fonts, they are under open font license. And basically, briefly, this license let you make everything. You can use everywhere this font, etc., etc. Alright, so just click here, this button, download family. Alright, and as you can see right here, our folder is downloaded. So click on this arrow and click show in folder. Alright, as you can see, this is right now a zip. So we just need to unzip this zip. So right click, and I'm using 7-zip, but also if you are using WinRAR or programs like that, you can unzip this folder with those programs. So extract files, okay. Now just type this font. Alright, and as you can see right here, we have something called OFL, and basically this is the license right here, as you can see, if you would like to read a little bit more about it. So we need to select all of those three fonts, right click, and install. Of course, if you have some users on your Windows 10, and if you would like to install this font for all users, just click here. But let's say I would like to install this font only for my user. So click install. As you can see, installing. That's perfect. And right now, this font is fully installed to our computer. But you may have some problems because let's go back to our PowerPoint program, and let's say we would like to change this font, display for display, to our newly added font. So 𝑠EN, S-E-N. So I am typing S-E-N. I am pressing enter. Oh, actually it works. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you because I was wondering if we need to restart PowerPoint, but actually we don't have to. So I think that's basically everything about, or actually there is one more thing. As you can see, here are fonts that you have installed, right? But as you can see, we have 𝙬 regular, 𝙬 bold, and 𝙬 extra bold. So our 𝙬 regular is just a regular font, so right here. But actually, like I said you before, you can also use, let's say, a variant of this font. So just type 𝙬 extra bold or bold, actually 𝙬 bold. So just if you'd like to make this font bold, just click here. And actually, as you can see, this font is bolded right now. Yeah, so that's a cool trick. Alright, so this was just kind of a variant of this font. It's basically the same font, the same style, but just a different variant. For instance, I will show you with Montserrat font. As you can see, this is Montserrat regular, but also Montserrat have some variants like Montserrat light, as you can see, like Montserrat bold, extra bold, etc, etc. And not every font have a lot of variants, but a lot of fonts have plenty of them. Alright, and the last thing I would like to share with you is how to check how much and what fonts have you installed on your Windows 10. So you need to go into this PC. Alright, you go into Windows C, Windows, and here you have folder called fonts. So just enter this folder, and as you can see here, you have all of the fonts that you have installed on your computer. So let's maybe search for our newly added font, so 𝙬, and as you can see right here, this is our font. If we double click on it, as you can see, these are all the variants of our font. Alright guys, so I think this tutorial was really valuable for you and really useful, because fonts in design, any design, presentation design, graphic design, anything related to design is quite crucial thing, because you really don't want your design to have always Calibri font. That is default font for PowerPoint, Word, etc, etc. Alright guys, so please subscribe to our channel, give us likes below. If you have any suggestions for our future videos, just post a comment and I will make sure to record a tutorial about it. Have a great day, and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.